What's up guys, and welcome to Karekajnr YouTube. My name is Joseph Njoroge. So today I'll be showing you what's inside the bag of an IT student. So let's get into it. So for the bag itself, as you can see, it's a Denri bag. It's a Denri bag. So this bag is a Denri Laptop bag specifically. So I got it last year from Denri. They are really good brand. I leave a link in the video description. So if you want to get one, go get one. I recommend it. It's a very good bag. I also did a review of this bag. So if you want to see the review, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description down below. So let's start with this compartment first. So as you can see, this compartment right here, when you open it, I have some paperwork. So this is just paperwork. So things that would be recommended to be stored in this compartment is things that you'd like to access easily, and yeah, that is like a good place to store stuff like that. So the next thing I'll check out is, as you can see, this bag has two sides, this compartment right here and this one right here. So one is closed and one is not. So if you would like, let me show you. So you see this one, you would store things that are you'd want to access fast, but are not would not be at high risk of getting lost, or somehow you shouldn't store paperwork in this one. So because if you store paperwork in this one, they will get wet because of this part here. And on this other side, when you open this one, this is quite safe. I also have in this one, I have some paperwork, but this is more dedicated paperwork. This is my bank card, another bank card, my IDs and stuff like that. So things that are more high risk of getting lost and specialty or something like that. So yeah, so let's get into the bag itself. So as you can see, it has really strong straps and things like that. So getting into the bag itself, so what do I have inside? So the first thing that I have inside this bag is my laptop. So this is a HP 2000 laptop. Currently, I don't think it's in production anymore. It's an old laptop. As you can see, it has starting wearing and tearing and stuff like that. But it still works and I still appreciate it. So yeah, so the next thing I have inside this bag is this power surge protector. So this is a very, very important thing in the life of someone like me, like an IT student or an IT technician or something like that, because at times you'll need to charge different stuff and test different equipment, and you'll need this for the power. So this is one that I've been using for a year now. It's starting to wear and tear, but I'm in the process of getting a new one. So yeah, that is one of the things that is inside here. So as of course you'd guess, the next thing I'll have inside here is my laptop charger. This is the old type. Most recent chargers don't have this one. Most recent chargers have the USB-C type, and yeah, I think it is best to have a USB-C type because it gives you more use case, because you can charge a phone, you can charge a laptop with it, and yeah, it's better. Anyway, that is the next thing that I have here. So as I can check in here, the next thing that I have is these chargers. So this is I have like a few of them and like a few cables here and there. So these ones have some story. If you follow me online on Instagram and on Twitter, I have been giving the updates about this one. So I've been buying these ones and they have been yeah, they have been doing a mess, and now none of these work. Actually, none of these work. So I just kept in here because before I replace them with another ones. So I don't think there's something else, but as I said, an IT student, and so the next thing that I have inside here are my books. So these are the books that I use on a daily basis, and yeah, that's it for this video. Or actually, there is another compartment inside here. There's another compartment inside here. This is where I store the high stuff that I really treasure. So inside here I have my wallet, this here. I also have a hard disk. This hard disk was the one that was originally in this computer, but there were some problems and I had to replace it, and I replaced it with another Toshiba. This is a Toshiba hard drive, and I replaced it with that one. So this one actually works, but right now not in this capacity, or so I have to get an adapter so that I can access the information that is inside here. So another thing I have inside here is, of course, you'll know this one. So if you haven't watched the video on this modem, I did a number of videos about this modem, and I'll link them down below also. This is a HSDPA modem, a modem that allows you to connect to the internet without having like a specific ISP. You can connect with all ISPs. So that is the next thing I have. So, and finally, these are some of the things that, as I told you earlier, the laptop is wearing and tearing, and it is old. It is almost 10 years, so you can see some of the things that have started to come off the laptop, and I just keep them for safekeeping and maybe to replace them at another time. So let's check if there's anything else. Yeah, there is something. So this is a module of flash drive. So I had this flash drive some time back, and it went bad, and I kept this. I still have the hope of retrieving some information from this, so I didn't throw it away. So yeah, that's it for this video. I finally showed you what's inside the bag of an IT student, and that's it. So I have a laptop, chargers and stuff like that, and hard drives and stuff like that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and follow me online at @JosephNjoroge_. I leave all the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, have a good night, and peace out.